Okay. So we already discussed in the roadmap. First of all, we have the data set. The second step is we are doing the pre-processing on the text. Okay. So the one thing we already discussed, the tokenization. Okay. So other one is what we do is tokenization in pre-processing. Okay. The second one, what we do is, the second one is we are lowercasing removal. Okay. And the third one is the regular expression. Okay. So let's revise the tokenization again. So tokenization is a process of breaking down into a smaller unit, typically words or phrases known as the tokens. Okay. So it's the fundamental step in NLP that facilitate analysis and understand the textual data. Okay. So it's breaking down we can say, breaking down sentences into the words. Down sentences into words. Okay. And each word is called token. Okay. And breaking down into a words is the process we are using, that is tokenization. Okay. So I already give you example. Okay. For example, if I have some sentence, I love Brainalyst. Okay, so this is my one statement here. If I'm tokenizing it, so I have I is one token, love is another token, then I have a Brainalyst. Okay, so this is all about the tokenization. Okay, so here each element in tokenization version is the token and representing a word or punctuation mark in the document. Okay, so now we have the lowercase. Lowercasing we say. So lowercasing is doing what? Converting all letters in a text to lowercase. Okay. So this process helps us ensure the consistency and the avoid the treating words with the different letter case as a distinct entity. Okay. For example, I have the one word is love. Okay. And the another word is the LOVE. So what machine is doing is treating these words differently, okay, distinct words, but these are the similar words. So to avoiding this issue, we are changing all the words to the lowercase. Okay. Okay, so this is our one step. So why we are lowercasing? Because lowercasing is the important in NLP to ensure words are treating uniformly. Okay, why? The words treating treated uniformly. Okay, it prevents the same word with the different cases. Like we have something like hello, then another is small letter with hello. Okay, so for being considered as a distinct during analysis, we are trying to changing to the lowercase. Okay. So what we have understood till now is tokenization is break down text into a meaningful units, and lowercasing ensures the uniformity in the representation of word. Okay, so they both contributing to more accurate and consistent language processing. Okay, so now we are left with the regular expression. Okay, so a regular expression are the powerful pattern used to match and manipulate text. Okay, let's use a simple regis to remove the punctuation from the tokenization and lowercase. When we are working in the Python, so here we have some library for this is import RE. Okay, that stands for regular expression. So what we do is if we have something in text is like this, / comma. Okay, we have like we have something this. Okay, different expression. So by using this import tree, we can remove from the text. Okay, so why we need it? Because regular expression are valuable for text cleaning. In this example, we use the what? Regex pattern to remove the punctuation. And here we are ensuring that tokens are clean and ready for further analysis. Okay, so this is all part of the cleaning. Okay, so in summary, the combined process of tokenization, lowercasing, and regular expression application is essential for preparing the text data in NLP, and it ensuring the what is ensuring consistency and the cleanliness for subsequent analysis. Okay, so these are the some few steps for pre-processing. These are the some basic steps I can say. Okay, thank you. See you in next session.